Hello. So this is the first video of the build one project that we are working on. I am on a Mac system. So I'm going to show you how to clone a repository. The first thing you are going to do is visit the address you want to visit. So here, this is the organization build one project, and we have several projects inside it. I'm going to use services as e-services as example. So I'm going to open e-services, and there are some instructions here, installation instructions. So first thing is you are going to go into your folder where you want to clone this project. So go there. So in my own system, you will see my folders. My folders have this structure. So this is the e-services folder. You can create your own folder. So you can say, you can come here and then do new folder and then put a new folder. So I'll just call it PPP for now. So I'll have this empty folder here. So next thing I will do is I will go back to the website. So on the website, I would copy that command that says git clone https something. So I will go there. I will copy this command like this, git clone https. So after copying it, I will go back to my folder. Then I will open my terminal into this folder. So now my terminal is at the bottom and the folder is at the top. Then what I will do is I will drag. You can do it anyhow you want to do it in your own system. The essential thing is open the folder in the terminal. So I will drag the folder into the terminal and then I will cd into it. So if you check now, pwd, it will say that I am inside document ppp, which is the current folder I have. So I will do Ctrl V, which is to paste the command I copied from that website. When I paste it and I press enter, it is going to clone. So as you can see now, it has e-services. It is going to clone all those commands inside here. So what am I going to do? I will list the command. I will say ls. So when I say ls, I will list the command. It will now show me that the folder I just downloaded is now e-services. So I will enter into that folder. I will say cd e-services. I will enter it. So I'm into e-services. Now that I'm into e-services, what is the next thing that I am asked to do? So the next thing is that I should do npm install. So I will come back here inside my terminal and say npm install. So this will install all the packages that I need for that project to work. So once I install npm, can you see it's installing all the packages that I need? So you need to be patient here because it may take a moment for it to finish. Once it finishes, the next step is for us to do what? Is for us to run npm start. So once this finish running, I will type npm start, then my project will run. While I'm waiting for my project to run, so it has finished running. While I'm waiting for my npm start to finish, you can go to your what's it called, to your VS Code to see your project here. Can you see this is the project in my VS Code now? So you can open the project in your VS Code immediately. Now let's go back to our terminal. So in our terminal, what do we want to do? They say we should do npm start. So I am going to do npm start. I will say npm start. This will start the project. So as you can see here, it says node bin, what's it called, /ww. So once it's doing like that and it's not throwing any error, go to the website. The website says, once you see like that, go to copy this thing, 127.0.0.21. That is your local host. So open a new terminal and then press it like that. When you press it like that, you will see this e-services, which will say welcome to e-services. This means that the project is working correctly in your system. If you want to know, so congratulations, once you get to e-services, your project is running. The first thing you can now do is, as you can see here, if you look at the terminal, can you see the terminal is giving you response that your project is running correctly? You can make a change, but don't make a change, just get it running first.